Are you, in fact, refusing to turn the child over?
As of right now, yes.
The court is going to remand you to the Calhoun County Sheriff.
When this mother refused to turn over her child and cited abuse concerns, the judge remanded her until the child was turned over.
The plaintiff's motion for denial of parenting time for make-up parenting time, as well as plaintiff's motion for return of child and to enforce the orders. Ms. Martinez, have you, in fact, complied with the turnover order in this matter? And I say that only because the most recent motion, the plaintiff had contained in paragraph 17 of the motion various texts from you, in fact, demonstrate or showing that you do not have the intent to comply with the court orders in this matter.
I did return Bella for visitations with her father until she was abused by her father physically. She came home with cuts to her mouth that were confirmed by her pediatrician. And then that is when I stopped.
It's my understanding from reading the motion that the CPS was involved and they did not substantiate. Is that correct?
They were at the doctor's office when the doctor showed them and confirmed to them the cuts on our daughter's lips. However, whether they followed their protocol for child abuse or not is I'm not exactly sure.
Okay, well, I can only assume, I don't know, but I assume that they followed their protocol as they're required to do. Well, I guess the main point is, are you in fact refusing to turn the child over to the plaintiff?
Well, as of right now, yes.
As a result of your failing to turn over, as this court has ordered, the court is going to remand you to the Calhoun County Sheriff,
Okay.
where you will remain incarcerated until such time as the child is turned over to the plaintiff.
Okay,
So you can go with the deputy.
If I'm in jail, how am I supposed to get my child and give her to the plaintiff? I'm just trying to make sure that I know what to do from.
You'll have to call somebody or let the plaintiff know where the child is so he can pick up the child. In this particular matter, I do note that the court has previously, and there are make-up parenting times that are required. Ms. Sharp, what are the make-up parenting times that you've requested?
Okay, so the first time was 29, and now my client's stating it's 34 overnights.
34 total or 34 this time?
Additional.
Okay, so we have a total of 63. Ms. Martinez, is that square with your understanding?
Yes.
Court will order that the child be turned over to him immediately, forthwith, and that he will have the child for the 63 days that he has been denied as make-up parenting time.
I can have my ride here, Cindy, go get the minor child and bring her here within a half hour. She is only about 5 minutes from here. When my friend Cindy goes to get Bella, should she bring her here to this?
Bring her back to the court. In fact, what we'll do is we'll have Ms. Sharp and her client, they can be out in a conference room and the child can be turned over to them. And at that time, once Ms. Sharp is confirmed that he has the child, then we will allow your release.
Sure.